Thank you for subscribing WhatsApp X Standard tool. So today, I will tell you the activation procedure of this tool. First of all, you will receive this tool through your WhatsApp or on your email ID. You have to download it to your system. After downloading, save it in your system, whether it's in the Downloads folder, desktop, D drive, C drive, or wherever you want to. Mostly default is Download folder in all the system. Next is the activation, and the last step is to run the tool once it is activated, and then you can enjoy it. That's the procedure. I will explain briefly. Here, you can see that this tool has been sent to you on WhatsApp. You can see it here. You need to download it by clicking on the download arrow. It will be downloaded to your default folder, which in my case is the Downloads folder. You can select that, or if you prefer, you can save it to the desktop also. I will show you that the desktop is also an option. However, sometimes people have a lot of documents on the desktop, so I'm providing both options. I'll keep Downloads as the standard and save it there. Now, my tool is in Zip folder, which I have saved in my Downloads folder. You can see that the zip folder is already there. First, you need to unzip it. This is the folder you saved from WhatsApp. Click on it to unzip it. I will show you how to unzip and extract it. Here, you see the Extract All function. Click on that, and it will ask where to extract it. Use the same folder, like Downloads, so it will be extracted there. Now this file is ready. You can see it says that the file is in the Downloads folder. Double-click to open it. If there is an error saying blocked content, this is because your location is not trusted. We need to make it trusted. Clicking on the button, it will show you an error that it cannot run the program. This is a standard error that every new user will get upon activation of any Excel which is programmed. To fix this, click on the File option in Excel. Then, go to the last, which is Options. Click on that, and then go to Trust Center. Click on Trust Center Settings. You will see Macro Settings on the left-hand side. We need to make the correct setting here. Normally, the first option is selected by default. You need to select the last option. Now, it will allow the programming method. Click OK to apply the settings. The program will now start running in Excel. The second step is to address the location. Go to Trust Center Settings again and select Trusted Locations. If your file is saved on the desktop, you may not need this procedure. However, if it is saved elsewhere and giving an error, click on Add New Location. Since my file is saved in the Downloads folder, click on Browse, select the Downloads folder, and click OK. The Downloads folder will now be a trusted location. Ensure the Subfolders option is selected, so all folders within Downloads are trusted. Click OK to exit the window. Now you can save and close the Excel sheet. Refresh your system, then reopen the file from the Downloads folder. Double-click the Excel file. There should be no warnings now, because the correct security settings have been applied. Clicking the button will run the program and activate the sheet. All the buttons should work successfully. Thank you very much.